Yeah, this is one I haven't heard before. Restaurant inspectors found false teeth stored in a cup and one fast food location that should consider temporarily closing to clean. 5 on your side's Keely Arthur has this week's restaurant ratings.
First, to the Sonic on Jones Franklin Road in Raleigh. A manager was eating on the prep table in the kitchen, and the iced tea nozzle was full of bumpy microbial growth. Plus, areas above and around cooking spaces were so soiled, the inspector said the restaurant should consider temporarily closing to clean. The Sonic on Jones Franklin Road got an 88, a B, down from a 94.5 and a 95.5. Over to Cracker Barrel on Skybow Road in Fayetteville. The inspector cited 4 times when cooks should have washed their hands during food prep but didn't. An ice bin had black buildup inside and raw meats weren't being stored correctly with other food, which is a cross-contamination hazard. Cracker Barrel on Skybow Road got an 82.5, a B, down from a 97 and a 97.5. Finally, to Sawadee on North Bragg Boulevard in Spring Lake. False teeth, yes, you heard that right, were being stored in a cup next to sauces near the grill. Several foods were not being held at the right temperature, and other foods were not date marked. Sawadee and Spring Lake got an 86.5, a B, down from a 90 and a 97.5. Keely Arthur, 5 on your side.